I'm Divya, and I am the 3D printing teacher here this week. So 3D printing is an emerging technology that's really going to change the way we live because anything is possible when it comes to 3D printing. So the way the class works is that the students design objects on a software called Tinkercad, and then I sort of help them along the way, check their objects, and then we print them out on the printers. So they get 1 to 2 things printed out each day, which is pretty cool, and they get to take them home. Some of the concepts that I want them to learn are creativity, because as I said before, anything is possible with 3D printing, so it's important that they learn to think big and creative and awesome when it comes to what they can make. But I also want them to learn about precision and accuracy and double checking to make sure all their objects are attached and everything looks the way they want it to. So when it prints out, it looks the way they're envisioning it. Yesterday was our first day, so I sort of had them work on keychains, which is a pretty basic project, so that they could get the hang of how to use Tinkercad. And once they finished those, I sort of let them go off on their own and experiment. They made some architecture buildings, they're working on some chess pieces, just so they get the hang of it. Today we're working on our combination animals, which is a combination of 2 or more animals to sort of get their creativity working. And tomorrow we're working on architecture to work on precision and accuracy. So I'm going to have them copy some sort of architecture from around the world and try to make their design look exactly like the original. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Remember, if you can imagine it, you can print it!